Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a look here at Solana, seeing what's going on with this guy. Looks like we broke through this most recent high and we're establishing higher highs now. That's a very, very positive sign. It does imply that we shouldn't expect further downside and this ascending trend is looking good. Okay, so keep in mind, yesterday when we talked about this potential, I think we were right in this range here and we were considering either the bounce or the price continuing low. Okay, so one of two scenarios occurred. Price either went sideways and up or down, and it went sideways and up. Okay, so again, awesome stuff there. A lot of that has to do with Solana recovering, Bitcoin stabilizing. Because right now, if you take a look at Bitcoin, it's ramping up to 35.4. It's just surged actually. As a matter of fact, what $691 million injected into Bitcoin at in roughly 14 minutes. Okay, so again, when we have that large amount of volume, things are going to happen with these altcoins, and most altcoins are on a razor's edge right now to either dropping like a rock because Bitcoin is correcting minorly, or Bitcoin comes up, they start pumping. Okay, so you got to understand there's going to be a lot of symmetrical type of behavior there, or synonymous, in other words. When the price action goes up for Bitcoin, most alts are going to surge too. Yeah, so again, we need a solid closure above 35,200 today from Bitcoin. Still a little early, still a little premature. Let's not celebrate too early, okay? All right, so quick little congrats here to our committee members. We got some awesome trades here going on. If you take a look actually at our Premium Plus group, we are killing it with Solana. 22%, another 22%, 22.1, 20.1. We actually have 4 trades open, and we just took some significant profits there. Those are some nice scalps there from Solana. And of course, we took profit here from Bell, 94%, 46% from a maker short. Audio long 105, ENJ 113, Comp 83, and VRA, our trade from yesterday, at about 21% in 2 hours. So again, congrats again to our community members for that. That's fantastic. If you want to be part of our Crypto Cash Premium, link down below. There are limited slots available, so just make sure that you understand we're going to start capping the amount of members just to ensure we have one-on-one time with our members, okay? Again, just like to listen to our members and make sure we're there for you. So greatly appreciate, nonetheless, all of my support here so far. So let's talk about the daily and kind of work our way down, all right? So daily, we talked about this yesterday. We were still overextended, but the money flow index was coming down. It looks like we just bounced a little bit, obviously, because that new injection of volume we just saw a moment ago, considering Bitcoin just took a good 700 million in Bitcoin dominance. Now, if we take a look at the MACD here, we're still diverging, sort of. In other words, our oscillator's losing momentum. Doesn't mean we're perished by any stretch. Just means that we're losing a little momentum, but that might actually change now that we have that most recent surge here. And then if we take a look at the moving averages, we're still ascending concurrent with the 20-day SMA. So nothing's changed there. All right, so the daily is going to remain the same for a little while, at least another couple of days, unless we see a massive correction. But once more, just to confirm, we're still honoring this ascending trend here with the 50-day SMA. It's the important thing. We just bounced up above the 20-day SMA as well. So all in all, fairly positive. We're above 50 on the RSI. We've still got plenty of room to grow. So this could be the first leg up of many, based on the simple fact that we have a decent amount of, we're not overextended, is basically a simple way to describe it. We just converged on the MACD here as well. While this candlestick hasn't closed yet, that's a very positive sign. So Solana's looking pretty strong right now at this exact moment. I think we're going to be in a position where we should experience an increase, a retest of this upper liquidity here. So just want to talk about this. This is kind of, wouldn't say the elephant in the room, but it's important to note that anytime there's upper amounts of liquidity here, it's oftentimes going to be retested. So I have no doubt at this point, if Bitcoin can maintain a solid 35,200 or higher today, then we're going to see Solana come up here to the $47 range and break that. At the very least, retest it. Okay? One of the two things will happen. If we take a look at Elliott Wave, we can kind of summarize here that we are establishing, we're on the right direction to establish a higher high. And with our last and final wave, we'll need to see that that 1.618 level retested. So it does anticipate that $50 will be a likely target here for this coin. Okay, so from 44 to 50, you be the judge. Do you think that's going to happen? Comment below. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like too. Greatly appreciate that. These videos need some help, obviously, because YouTube algorithm kind of sucks. Let's go ahead and talk about the Ichimoku cloud on the hourly and call it a day. So we're back up above the cloud. Conversion lines above the baseline, lagging spans free and clear. The cloud is accumulating over here in this ascending trend. So we got some really good stuff here going. Honestly, this significant shift in momentum just occurred. Keep that in mind. This is a little early, but the truth is we've been consolidating nicely here, kind of this little range bound between 40 to 42. It's half the reason why we've been able to scalp so many of the profits there, just buying the dips and essentially continuing to resurface, right? So again, most everything is looking fantastic here for this coin. There's no reason why the price should drop. Again, pending Bitcoin doesn't have a really bad day. If that was just a pump and dump, in other words, if Bitcoin dumps here soon, then we'll be in a much different situation. All this here is rendered, I wouldn't say useless, but fairly, it's all these potential breakouts are going to become invalidated. Okay, just to put it nicely there. Because again, Solana, no matter how you look at it, is overextended, and it is due for a correction, but I don't think it's going to be a big one, honestly. Again, potential corrections to some of these lower fib levels, but nothing major, just normal stuff. Okay. All right. Hope that made sense for you. I described that correctly. Thanks again for watching. Comment below if you got some comments. If you want to jump on over to our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, get to know our traders. Love to get to know you guys better. We got a really cool group of folks over here. We have a lot of fun. So thanks again to all my current members for just making my life a better place. Appreciate you. Hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.